Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to learn letter C, and the name of the book is Happy Faces Literacy, page number 10. Okay. So, what do you get to see in this image? A man, camel, and you see camel is carrying carrots, and this is a desert area. So children, the camel is helping the man to carry his carrots. So you can see so many carrots, isn't it? So he could not carry, that's why he loads all the carrots in camel hump. I hope so you have understood. So let's read the question and answers. Number 1, who is carrying carrots? So children, who is carrying carrots? So a camel is carrying carrots, isn't it? Second, what is the camel carrying? So what is camel carrying? So the camel is carrying carrots. What is the common sound in camel and carrots? So children, what is the common sound in camel and carrots? C. You can see here the beginning first letter is C, and you can see here carrots beginning first letter is C. So this camel and carrots common sound are C and a C. I hope so you have understood. So now next, more words with C. So you can see here many more words with the C. So now let's read this word. So everyone repeat after me. Okay. Candle. So you can see the picture of candle. Candy, carrot, cactus, crayon, cap, cat, cup. So all these words begin with the letter C. So children, there are many more words, so I will be giving you all that words, so you have to note down in your CW copy and remember it. Okay, I hope so you have understood. So next, circle the pictures of the things that begin with the C. So children, you can see here the pictures. So we have to circle the picture of the things that begin with the C. So you can see here the picture of the cap. So this is a cap. So cap begin with the letter C, isn't it? So you have to circle this. Then an ant. Ant begin with the letter A. So you don't need to circle this. Then candy. So candy begin with the letter C. So you have to circle this in the round big round. Okay. Write a missing letter to help the cat get the can. So we have to help cat by adding the letters, missing letter. So you can see here cap, candy, cap, candle, cup. So all these words missing letter are C. So you have to write in your test book. I hope so everyone have understood. So thank you.